Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Lily, a digital design nomad. Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour around one of the most unique and unforgettable Airbnb stays I've ever had. It was a treehouse in the middle of the jungle in Bali in Ubud. This was the entrance to the treehouse. On the top floor there were 2 bedrooms with 2 double beds, and most importantly, as the treehouse is open to nature, a bug net. There was also a nice hammock at the front of the bedrooms where you could relax and admire the gorgeous view. Also up here was the big netted area. Downstairs we had a living room with a swing bed and a kitchen. If you headed out to the left, you could get outside and you'd find your very own Bali swing, which you shared with 2 other villas, but we loved having the other villas nearby because it felt nice that you weren't completely isolated in the jungle alone. To the right side of the treehouse you had an open bathroom, and then if you stepped outside you could shower under the stars. The tiny village had one restaurant where you could order food from the WhatsApp and they would bring it down to the treehouse. The stunning views that looked down to the river was enchanting to watch every hour, as they looked different depending on the light and weather conditions, and the stars at night were so magical to watch. In the morning we woke up to the sound of nature and the fogs rolling over the hills. It was one of the most unique places I've ever done my makeup from. When we were ready we headed to the village and walked around some of the rice fields. I noticed that some of the plants were just beautiful and I'd never seen before. We then headed back to the treehouse and had breakfast. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the treehouse in the Bali jungle. Would you guys stay here? Let me know in the comments below. Also, the link to the description to the Airbnb is down there. If you come to Bali, I would highly recommend doing some kind of treehouse experience as it's really unique. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures and my design nomad journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments below related to design or digital nomad life. Also, you can head over to my Instagram, Digital Design Nomad, to follow me along on my journey around the world, building my design agency and exploring different countries.